Okay, dear student, how are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty. Although COVID-19 is a vital problem in the whole world, for this reason we are taking class in online. Okay, by the way, my identification, my name is Mintulal Choudhury, Assistant Teacher English, Govindoganj, ML High School, Satok Sunamganj. Okay, today I will discuss about a topic. Look, tag question. What is tag question? Do you know? Tag question means to ask question. After a statement you ask question is called tag question. Suppose look, Rohim is a student. Rohim is a student. So, isn't subject of pronoun he. It is tag question. Actually, it is tag question. After a statement, if you ask something, it is tag question. In this sentence, it is tag question. So, by the way, I will give a few rules about tag question. There are a lot of rules, many rules, but I am giving one after another. I will try to give. Okay, rule 1. If sentence is if subject plus be verb oblique auxiliary verb plus object. If you find a sentence such kind of at first subject, then be verb oblique object auxiliary verb, then object, you will make tag question by these rules. Suppose subject plus be verb oblique AUXI auxiliary plus object plus same comma plus auxiliary verb be verb of antiphon. Suppose look, subject, be verb, same, auxiliary, object. After that, you will give comma. Then you will be verb of antiphon. Here is a be verb, you will find it is antiphon plus pronoun of subject. Plus question mark. It is first rule. Now, I am giving a sentence. It is clear? I think it is clear. I am giving sentence. Runa good singer. Look, structure 1 subject, be verb, object. So, we can use, you have to know few antiphon. Okay, I am giving here antiphon. If you find is isn't, aren't, oblique ain't, ain't, was, wasn't, were, weren't, have, haven't, has, hasn't. There are many antiphons. There are many antiphons. Have, has, had, hadn't, shall, shan't, will, won't. Spelling will be won't, not will not, won't. Such kind of, there are many. You look on your book, you will find there are a lot of antiphons. Okay. If first sentence is assertive, second sentence will be antiphon. If first sentence is antiphon, second after comma you will do not use anti. So, Runa was a good singer. Okay. So we can give what we can give. Can you give was? So, antiphon of was, wasn't. Wasn't. Pronoun of subject. So, pronoun subject here is Runa. So, you can use she. She. Do you understand? Okay, I am giving another sentence. Same rule. The car can drive itself, although it is possible, generally it is impossible. Car is drive itself. It is, if it is remote control, it is drive by itself. So, we can use it. So, what can we use there? Here is a auxiliary, can. So, can antiphon, here I wrote, I raise it, can't. Pronoun of subject. So, car, if here is male, you use he. If here is female, you use she. If here is not male or female, other gender, so you can it. It. The car can drive itself, so its answer can't. Can't. Car, instead of car, you can use pronoun it. Okay, I am giving another sentence by this rule. Okay, look. Last sentence. You are not a good player. I gave last sentence in this rule. You are not a good player. What? Or you are not good player. No problem. Okay. So, here is anti. Sir. are not a good player. So you can write aren't you. You are not, here is empty, so are you? You are not a good player, are you? It is answer. Okay, now I am going to second rule. Okay. Rule 2. Rule 2. Wasn't. Dita sunabne. Okay. He was not a good player. So wasn't, no. You cannot use NT. Was he? Was he? It is answer. Okay, now I am going to next rule, rule 2. Rule 2. Okay, second rule, if subject plus main verb. Main verb plus s or yes plus object. If you find such kind of sentence, look, subject plus main verb with s or yes plus object. So answer will be rule subject plus verb plus object plus comma plus doesn't plus pronoun of subject plus question mark. So I gave a sentence. The girl sings a song. The girl sings a song. Look, subject, main verb, s oblique yes, plus object. You find there. So what can you use? Such kind of sentence, doesn't. So you use doesn't plus pronoun of subject. So pronoun girl, the girl. So you can use pronoun she. So will I give another sentence? Okay. Rohim plays football. Look, same. Subject, verb, s, object. So what can you use? You can use, okay, doesn't he. Here was a girl, female, for this reason she. Here is male, boy. For this reason here you can use he. Okay, now I am giving you a different something. Such kind of rule, but here is different. He seldom comes here. What is the difference between sentences? Between sentences, both sentences. What is the difference? Here is a word seldom. So you can write, here is a word, it is, you can see it is assertive, but sentence is negative. Sentence is negative. Look. Okay, never seldom, scarcely, hardly, never, seldom. The word you can see, they are actually negative. You can see it is positive, but the sentence is negative, such kind of word. So you can use here, does he. Do you understand? Here is a word seldom. Never, seldom, scarcely, hardly, and another sentence here is, actually they are negative meaning. Here is affirmative, but it meaning will be negative. He seldom comes here. For this reason you cannot use anti. It is different rule. That rule, but it is exceptional. Okay, now I am going to third rule, rule 3. I am going to rule 3. Okay, to okay, I am giving rule 3. If you find a sentence subject plus object, there is no use s by s, only verb. So you will use there subject plus verb plus object plus comma plus don't plus pronoun of subject plus question mark. Okay, I am giving such kind of sentence. The boys play cricket. Cricket. The boys play cricket. So we can use there, look, subject, verb, there is no s by s. So we can use here don't plus boys they. If here is a boy, so here is he. The boys, plural number of he, she, it. Singular, plural. He, she, it. Plural, they. If here is he, it is plural, they. He, she, it, plural, they. So we can use they. So another sentence we can use. Fishes can swim in the river. Fishes can swim in the river. So what will be answer? Here is can, can't, oblique. Here you can erase this. Fishes swim in the river, no problem, same sentence. So, you can use, there you can use don't they. It is third sentence. So, third sentence I will give a negative. They do not like sweet. It is quite different. It is quite different. Same rule, but it is exceptional. Here is not, here is NT, there was no NT. So, you can there do. Do they. Do they. It is answer. Okay, now I am going to rule 4. Okay, I am giving homework now. Next class I will discuss many rules. There are many rules left for discussing. I will discuss next class, my next class. So, homework. Rahim catches fish in the pond. Two. She is playing chess. 3. You see a bird. Look, Rahim catches fish in the pond. She is playing chess. You see a bird. The students go to school. The students go to school. Number 5. He never read book. Okay, I gave 5 sentences for homework you do. If you cannot complete this, you will ask me next class. Okay, I think gave, okay. Okay, so see you again. See you again. You keep stay home, save home. Next class, see you again with you. Okay, thank you.